To enroll a macOS device into Miradore, go to Enrollment, Enroll Device, click on iOS, macOS, choose the user you want to assign to the device, and click Next. To complete the enrollment, copy the URL to the browser of the macOS device you are enrolling. There may be a warning if you're not using the Safari browser. Input the username and password, and click Enroll Device. The enrollment profile is now being downloaded. Double-click the profile, review the information, and click Install. If the system settings do not open automatically, open them manually. Go to Privacy and Security, scroll down to Profiles, double-click on the Miradore Mobile Device Management profile, review the information, and click Install. As part of the profile installation, enter your admin password. The profile installation has finished. Go back to your Miradore site. When the device is enrolled, the Show Device button will become active, and you can proceed to explore the inventory and management options now available to you.